Hola jóvenes, saludos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? Ah, este mensaje, ¿verdad? Es para informarte que la semana 9 y 10 están disponibles. Okay, so week number 9 and week number 10 are available. I need you to double check if you're able to see and access voice thread activities, and LTK activities. Okay. I'm going to be in an area where internet is not very good. So that's why I'm trying to make sure that you will have the material available. So I need you to do that as soon as possible. And if that's the case, that you don't see voice thread activities or LTK activities, you email me. Okay, that's why I'm making semana 9 y semana 10 available, okay, to avoid any particular situation, okay? I'm preventing, okay? Una prevención, sí. Así es que, please, I need you to do that as soon as possible and let me know. Also, make sure that you complete Semana 8, activities for Semana 8. They are going to be due tonight. Okay, don't wait until 11:50 to finish them. Do not do that, okay? So try to complete them as soon as possible. And then you can start with Semana 9. The material, it's about La Familia, descriptions. There's a lot of description there, a lot of vocabulary to describe. So make sure that you create your flashcards, okay? And study those flashcards very early in the morning. Remember my suggestion. On one side of that card, you write, and actually you don't need to get a big card. You can cut that card in 4 pieces, okay? On one side, the Spanish word, on the other one, the English meaning. If you are a visual learner, draw something or write something that helps you to remember that word in Spanish, like we did at the beginning of the semester. Remember the soy sauce with soy? Make connections like that, okay? And then this week we are going to work with, as I said, adjectives. They are going to answer the question, ¿Cómo eres? And we have tried that. We worked with that question already. ¿Cómo eres? Soy inteligente, ¿verdad? Now, you have a lot of vocabulary there to express. What are you like? ¿Cómo eres? ¿Sí? Also, we work with la familia, la familia, la familia. And we are presenting there some vocabulary that is connected with the descriptions. And we start talking about el pelo, ¿verdad? El pelo, si el pelo es rizado o si el pelo es liso, si llevo lentes, si llevo una blusa y de qué color. Remember to put the color after the noun, mi camisa o mi blusa, ¿verdad? Blusa, the blouse, blusa, azul, okay? Blusa, the thing first, and then the color, okay? Es mi blusa favorita, You see where I'm placing favorita? Immediately after, okay? Mi blusa favorita es azul. Mind the order, okay? Um, so that's for week 9. And then week 10, we're going to expand those descriptions and then we can start talking about los ojos, el bigote, la barba, etcétera, etcétera, etcétera. Okay? Bien, jóvenes, remember, let me know as soon as possible. If today it's possible, better. I will appreciate that. That you have access to chapter 9, but also in particular, chapter 10. Okay. And again, I'm making that chapter available, chapter 10, to make sure that you have access to all the voice thread activities and Eliteca, okay? Because next week I'm going to be in an area where internet is not so good, okay? And I'm just trying to avoid any problem, okay? So if you need to contact me, you can send the email as soon as I can. I will answer, but I will have some problems. Okay, so keep that in mind that there's a probability that I will have issues with the internet. Okay, bien. If I suggested you to find a tutor, you need to find that tutor as soon as possible. Okay, and after let's see, after November 6th we are going to, well, I'm going to create some Zoom sections, maybe one or two, so where we can get together and we can discuss the material. Okay, so if you're having problems conjugating verbs, then I urge you to come to um, the Zoom section. Okay, I will give you more details about that after November 6th. Okay, bien, jóvenes, chicos y chicas, hasta luego. Ok, chao.